Come in.
Good morning, Maddie. How are you today?
Good, how are you?
My name's Isabel Hinojos, and I'm going to be your nurse today, okay?
Okay.
How are you feeling today?
I'm good.
Can I get your name, your date of birth, please?
07/16/04.
Perfect. Okay. I'm going to listen to your heart, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to put on my stethoscope, okay?
Mhm.
I'm going to start off at the aortic marker, okay?
Mhm.
Now I'm going to move on to the pulmonic marker. Now I'm moving down to the herbs point. Now I'm going down to the tricuspid marker. Lastly, I'm moving to the mitral marker. So everything sounds good.
Perfect.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Can I get you anything?
Some water, please.
Yes, ma'am. Use your call away button if you need anything else, okay?
Okay, thank you.
No problem.